So I found some more damage on the truck, on the bed. This was patched already. I'm most likely gonna be taking this one off, and then I have that piece that's missing. I have it right here. It goes right there, but I gotta fix that. And then I had to take this part off, which is right there. Can't see. It's right there, and I took it off because I'm gonna be deleting this, this is the running light, and I'm gonna leave this one. I had to take this off so I can get on the back of this, and so I could just put some fiberglass on the back, and then I'm gonna put some fiberglass right here in the front. And then when I took this off, well, that's when I saw that I was gonna fix this. I'm gonna fix this too. Damn, it's kind of dark. I'm gonna fix this too, and then that's when I saw this. I was like, damn, like on the outside. Well, I kind of messed it up a little more, but you weren't able to see it. But right here, where I sanded down, you can see like where they put those rivets on the other side of the truck. I'm gonna be deleting that one too. All right, so right here, I already sanded this down. I used this. I bought this grip at O'Reilly's, and then I'm gonna be putting layers of the fiberglass right here. And then once I put like 3 layers, then I'm gonna put one behind here, just one like to sit like that, and the same thing is gonna happen on the other side. And then right here, I already started taking off these rivets. I already took off the plastic that was right there, so you guys can see. They didn't do it. They didn't fix it the right way, because they were still moved. So they didn't put the to fix it the right way, you're supposed to put fiberglass, and just so I can seal it good. But they put rivets and all that, so I just took off that plastic, and I'm taking off the rivets right now. Once I take off the rivets, then I'm gonna sand down the back of the panel. I'm gonna sand it down, and then once I prep everywhere, I'm gonna put the fiberglass. Then we're gonna get ready and prep the resin to put the fiberglass. Oh, and then I'm gonna fix this too. This part right here that goes onto the tailgate, I'm gonna fix that too. So right here, I already started like the first coats, you would say. I put 2 coats right here on this side, and then I put 1 coat right here in the back, and then I put 2 coats right here. So I'm gonna do this like in probably 3 parts. So I'm letting that dry. So once that dries, I'm gonna do this part right here, like this part right here, and then once that dries, I'm gonna do this part, because I don't know, it just like moves, you know, like. And I haven't been recording like the way when I'm doing it, because I don't want to be touching the camera and then touching this stuff. It's all sticky. Like if you've messed with the resin, this is all sticky, and I don't want to be touching the camera and all that stuff, you know. So, and then I did put a coat on the inside of this too. There's 1 coat. I'm just gonna do 1 coat, and then the rest just on the outside, so it can look better. Okay, right here, so I just finished all the layers I had to do. I put probably like the little ribs, probably like 6 layers, and I'll look. It's pretty hard now. And then right here, it's pretty good now. I put another layer right here. This one, I put this one right here, and then once I do this one, I'm gonna put a big piece right here. And then this one, it's pretty dry now. Look at it, won't even bend no more. Look at that. So once I do this right here, then I'm gonna be able to get on this side and start that. But right here, you guys can't see, but they had put a lot of Bondo right here, like on the holes. I don't know if you guys can see. This is like a lot of Bondo. So right here, I'm gonna have to just grind this down. all this down, and yeah, we'll see how it comes out. It should come out good. And then on the other side as well, I left this one hanging, but this one's almost dry too. Right here, I'm probably gonna put some more on both sides. Both of these sides, I'm probably gonna put probably like 4 more layers, just so it can pop out more. I had to take out the wheel so I can work here better, and yeah, I could access here more. With the tire was on the way, I couldn't really move around, so yeah, it should be better. In the bay, I'll probably start grinding both of these sides down, this one and the other side, just like on the edges right here. I'm gonna grind this just right here, and then I'll probably put more layers. I just gotta get more brushes. So the driver's side is done. I sanded it down and everything, and put some Bondo, and then I sprayed some primer. Now it's done. I mean, it's gonna look pretty nice. Like, it's cool that it's not showing that light right there. I don't know, it's a little different. You can't really tell, but I mean, it's something. Like, small things sometimes make a big difference. And then this side, I put the resin right here, and just to cover that. And then the inside, I'm almost done. I put some right there too. It's almost done. I just gotta do this little part right here. I gotta finish that, and then this right here, I just gotta, can't really see. This one's done right here too. And this side is done, but I ran out of the primer. It's an old primer bottle that I had, so I gotta go buy some, but this one's done too. Got me super dusty though. I haven't done like a body work in a while. Alright, morning. I just want to finish this video with this. I just my cousin's giving me his trailer, and he just brought it. It's a utility trailer. We're gonna fix it up some. You can go more. Right there's cool.
Lights out, right? Pero,
yeah, swap todo.
yeah. There's this adapter if you ever need to move it without like before you change the lights. You can have it on.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna redo it todo. This is my cousin Hugo, and he's just dropping off the trailer, and it's pretty cool. It's gonna be a little project. Then you had to take off all the wood, huh? So all that shit would fly, huh?
Yeah, it was just down there. It wasn't even like bolted down, so yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, bro. So I was like, fuck, I don't want to run on the highway.
I know.
Yeah.
The trailer's pretty nice. It is a little project. I believe it's 6 foot by 12 or something. 6 by 14, something like that. Yeah, I'm gonna swap the axle. So the leaf springs, I'm gonna put the axle under the leaf spring, so that's gonna lift the trailer, and it's gonna lift it, I believe, once the kit is installed, it's gonna lift it about like 6 inches. So once it's lifted like 6 inches, the wheels are gonna be like somewhere like right here from the trailer, and then I'm gonna drop this down, and it's gonna be easier like for me to tow on the truck, and then it's gonna be easier to come up on the driveway right here. All right guys, so thank you so much for watching the video. Hit the like button. It don't take a long time just to hit the like button. I am gonna be making better videos. I just been busy on other stuff. Stay tuned. Thank you so much. Peace.